Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to do a glowy makeup look. Like glowy, healthy, bronzed looking skin is the only thing I can think about right now. And we've been having really good weather in Vancouver this week. We even hit 19 degrees Celsius. That's Celsius here in Vancouver yesterday. And it just got me really excited. And I realized like all my other makeup that I've been doing lately is very matte skin, a little bit more full coverage. Whereas now all I want is like skin-like. I want my skin to look glowy but skin-like. So I'm gonna try it out in this video today. Come along with me if you wanna see how this goes and what my skin's gonna look like. I'm curious too because it's been a while since I've done a more au naturel makeup look. But if you guys wanna see how this goes, keep on watching. Click that subscribe button if you guys are new and turn on the notifications so you never miss any videos. All right, enough talk. Let's do it. So I have a few new products to try out during this video. The first one's coming from the new L'Oreal Lumi collection. They sent me 4 of their Glotions in different shades, but I think I am gonna go for medium glow because I think this one will match my skin tone the best, even though this is where I wanna be. Deep glow, give me a few weeks. I'm just gonna do like about that much because I am using this as like my lotion. It says this is a Glotion, glowy lotion, Glotion. So I'm using it as my moisturizer. Okay, look at that glow. Doing a little bit more for the forehead. This is nice. I thought it was gonna be thicker, like come out a little bit thicker, but it comes out very thin, fluid-like, so it's really lightweight on the skin. Oh my gosh, I have to look at what this looks like on camera. Yeah, that looks really good. My skin is so much brighter. It instantly gives it the glow that I wanted. You know what this reminds me of? I'm gonna say it. Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow. Am I right? I'm gonna take a little bit more and apply it to the neck and the shoulder blades right here. The, what do they call it? Décolletage, décolletage. One of those. I'm kind of feeling like I could go in with a little bit of the deep glow because I read here it says use a darker shade to bronze all over and the lighter shade to illuminate all over. So I feel like I could use a little bit of this on my cheekbones if I can get it open. So like right here. Okay, that's perfect. I'm gonna use the darker shades on all of like the natural contours of the face so it looks like a little bit of a tan. So like right up here on the temples, a little bit on like the eye contours, like the crease area. And tutorial done. No, I'm joking, I'm joking, I'm joking. I obviously want to perfect my skin right now so that I don't see the blemishes, but I want to keep it looking really natural and light and luminous. So I think the perfect foundation for that is my Luminous Silk Foundation from Giorgio Armani. I haven't used this since last summer. Hopefully it is my right shade, but I'm just going to use like a real, oh, it looks a little bit dark. I'm going to use a little touch of it, honestly, because I want to keep my skin looking really minimal. You know, it's funny actually, now that I think about it, I bought this shade of foundation last year around this time for my wedding because I got married in April, but I'm pretty sure I was using self-tanner on my body, so I used a little bit of a darker shade to even things out. Oh my gosh, can you guys believe that I've been married for almost a year? I say it like you guys were at the wedding, but you pretty much were because I put out the video for you guys to see, which wasn't too long ago because I waited a little while to post the video, but I cannot believe that it's been almost a year since I've been married. That is crazy. By the way, I have not gone on a honeymoon yet. Andy and I are still trying to plan this, so if you have honeymoon destinations that you would think I would like or you liked, please let me know in the comments because we need to book something ASAP. We're hoping to go maybe next month or the month after that and have a honeymoon. So for concealer, I have another new product to try out. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer. I'm not going for full coverage, but I think that will actually do the trick for these heavy under eye circles that I have. Just gonna tap a little bit right there, dab it in. Now, because we're going all out with this radiance thing, I want to take this to another level and try out these new Lumi Glow Amour Glow Boosting Drops. I have these in the shade 507 Daybreak, and these are for a more intense glow. So I'm going to try it just on the tops of the cheekbones right here because I really want this area to be highlighted. Okay, yeah, this is good. I'm going to use my Damp Beauty sponge and are you kidding? That is intense. They were not lying. Just gonna dab it out a little bit. Woo! Okay, so because they're a little bit more cool tone too, they have a little bit of like a pinky hue to them. It's kind of balancing out all the yellow that was going on with my face, so that's a good thing. This is for all the people that like to glow to the gods. All right, now to finish up this glow, you guys thought we were done, didn't you? But I have these new palettes also from L'Oreal from the Lumi collection. These are the Glow Nude palettes. I have 2 shades, but my heart is leaning more towards this one. This is number 750 Sunkissed because of that gorgeous gold in there, and you guys know I love a gold highlighter. And I'm just gonna hit the cheekbone with that gold. Shining, 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 yeah. I just took a little bit of foundation just to tone it down just a notch because that's pretty strong. I'm gonna do a little mixing of the gold and then the shade underneath it, which is a little bit more bronzy, and hit the Cupid's bow, this area right here, the bridge of the nose. Now all I wanna do is take a little bit of powder and just tap it into the T-zones just to control a little bit of the shine that's going on right here. And that is the glow. The amount of pigment that is in those glow products is insane. So if you have a chance, check out the drugstore because they're available now. I would say the Glotion, definitely my favorite out of the bunch because it has so much impact on your skin as soon as you put it on. I'm gonna do a little bit of something something on the lids. I'm taking the Glotion in medium. I actually changed my mind and I mixed in a little bit of the deep glow with the medium glow, so that it kind of looks like a natural smoky eye, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna try out this like corally red couleur. This is the Giorgio Armani Ecstasy Shine in number 300. And it is a bright pop of color, which when I'm doing a more minimal look, sometimes I'll throw on. Let me just see if this is good, if I like it. Yes, I do. And you want to know why? Because with such a natural face, I feel like you just need a little pop of color. And it's glossy, so it's not like super full coverage. Now that the lips are done, I can see a little bit of creasing going on the lid. So I'm honestly just going to take some of this shadow, I was going to say shade, Saturn, and pop it on top. Because it's like a similar color to what I got going on already. And then what I'll do, just to take it one step further, because you know I always do, I'm gonna take a little bit of that shadow and just run it along the lower lash line. And now to finish everything up, I'm just gonna use my Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. And that is the finished look. You guys, I feel really good right now, and I'm just gonna like do a whole bunch of movements to make sure that you can see the glow. I am ready for summer. Unfortunately, it's not even spring yet. I really hope you guys liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're new. Comment down below what next I cannot talk right now. Comment down below what video you'd like to see me do next. Is it a makeup look? Is it a product review? Let me know. And don't forget to come back next week for a brand new video. Until next time, thank you so much for watching. Check out my vlog channel, Life with Trina. Click the box, it'll take you over to my second channel. Watch some videos, say hello, and I'll see you all real soon.